In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a Samsung YP-K5 MP3 player that will now turn on. As you can see, it's turned on now. Before I was able to figure it out, I connected it to the computer, try to charge it, one turn on and all, one charge. Now here's what you do. You slide it open, and on the back there is a reset button. Now you need to take a pin, and I'm using the edge of one side of a paper clip, and you basically just push it in and take it out like that, and then it should turn on and work fine. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up the video, and thank you for tuning in.